One night, the forest was very dark. The moon and the stars were hidden behind thick clouds, and everything was quiet. All the animals were sleeping, but a little firefly was awake. Its tiny light shone brightly as it flew from one leaf to another, lighting up the dark forest. Nearby, a hungry frog sat behind some bushes. He saw the glowing firefly and thought, "That looks tasty. I will catch it and eat it." The frog waited for the right moment and then jumped quickly toward the firefly. He stuck out his long, sticky tongue to catch it, but the firefly saw him just in time and flew away, shining even brighter. The firefly stopped a little further away and said, "Why do you want to eat me, Mr. Frog? I don't harm anyone. I bring light to this dark forest and help others find their way." The frog was surprised to hear the firefly speak so kindly. He thought for a moment and realized he had made a mistake. "You are right," the frog said. "I should not hurt someone who does good for others. I'm sorry for trying to eat you." The firefly's light grew warmer and brighter as if it was smiling. "Thank you for understanding," the firefly said. The frog watched as the firefly flew away, lighting up the forest with its tiny glow. The frog felt happy knowing he did the right thing by letting the firefly go. Moral: we should respect and value those who do good for others.